Hey YouTube, I'm checking in today because I'm going to start on this project here, working on this wind turbine that I bought probably over a year ago. This turbine was mounted on top of a pole above somebody's garage, and I climbed up onto their garage. I took down the pole from the garage and lowered this to safety. The information I got on this was that the previous owner had it hooked up to his RV, his travel trailer, and he used it to power his RV, which when I think power, I'm assuming he was charging a battery. I'm guessing. Anyhow, I did not verify that this works. I have not verified anything about it other than just checking it out, making sure that it spins freely, and I haven't measured the output of any of the motor. I'm not quite sure how I should do that. There are 3 wires here coming off the generator motor itself, which leads me to believe that this is a 3-phase electrical motor. This extra wire that is attached here was like it when I've got it. So I'm not even sure what the rating on this motor is here, what kind of output it has, etc. So this guy built this setup. These are aluminum. It looks like they're aluminum blades. They sure as heck feel like aluminum. The blades are approximately 29, 28 inches long. There's 3 of them, as you can see. Looks like the man welded a custom hub here, or made this hub to attach to the motor. Then this thing is sitting on a piece of galvanized pipe. Not sure what size that is. It does not spin on the galvanized pipe. This back plate on the motor attaches to the tail fin, this whole assembly. This whole tail fin assembly is roughly 40 some, let's see, off the back of the motor it's about, okay, it's 53 inches off the back of the motor, and the tail fin itself looks to be about 18 inches high. So I'm wondering if I should get a rectifier and hook this up to a rectifier so I can measure the output. I definitely would like to disassemble it, and I don't know if these bearings are serviceable. It does spin pretty freely, but I kind of imagine that it probably should spin a little better than that. Maybe I don't know if the bearings can be greased up, repacked, or whatnot. So I guess my first things are here is to test the motor out, take the blades off, disassemble the whole thing, and see if this motor's even any good. If this motor's not any good, maybe I need to get a new motor. If it's not good, Also, are these blades in a desirable shape? I'm not sure if this guy bought these or these are homemade, but they do have an angle into them, built onto them. I don't know if it's the right type of angle. You can probably see it better here on this bottom blade as to how these are shaped, whether they are, you know, airfoils or whatnot. But anyhow, you need to figure that out as well. So if you're out there in the YouTube world and you care to comment, tell me what my steps should be on how I should go about making sure that this thing works and serviceable, make sure I got it spinning right, and then I can start on the whole system on seeing if I can hook up a couple of my deep cycle batteries there. I have a few of them. Seeing if I could hook those up to charge and run some DC appliances off of them or whatnot. But I just want to see if this is even usable. Tell me what I got here, if you know what I have, what I should do with them. Appreciate it. Thank you.